Babban aminin shugaban kasa Malam Umar tare suke kwarai da gaske. Aminin shi kwarai da gaske sai ya zo nan Katsina ziyara ce ba zai sai ya zo ya gaishe ki. Tana gajiya ki ce welcome to Katsina.
Excuse, let's go back.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, welcome.
Sennu mama. Sennu kupa. Sennu mama.
Very much precious. Alex Okwemeti.
Okay.
That's
you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. You're welcome. Really appreciate. Yes. Come close. Come close. Hey, stay here now. This is a bed and she has another room inside.
Yeah, Alex, I'm going to see. Alex, I'm going to
She doesn't like this flush.
Ah, sorry.
Sorry.
No problem.
They say, let your son of your late father to bless it. Pray for you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Of two great sons of Nigeria, two great people in Nigeria. You know, his son was what you can consider a military vice president who worked very assiduously for this country and later on committed to very assiduously for the country under General Obasanjo, was part of the handover to civilian government, became a Democrat himself, and fought for the tenets of democracy to the end. Then had another great son who became president of Nigeria, whom I worked closely with, whom I consider at any time one of the most decent Nigerians I've ever met, consistency, committed to the progress of Nigeria. He did all the sacrifice, you know. So when you see this, the only thing you can do, visiting this soil, I've been here with the former president, I visited this house twice, one with the former president and when the burial of the former president. And now the only thing I can do as a respect visiting Katsina is to come and pay respect to his mother. Nigeria, right from the time of military government, you have your own song as one of the leading lights, Yaradua. In the second government, you have your own song, a wonderful man, somebody I can call a leader because I work closely with him. Your own son again, Yaradua as president. And today, you have your own son as president. So if there's any state where there's not supposed to be, that's supposed to be secure, employment, no hunger, everything, it is Katsina State. But that is not the situation. It is not the situation because every Nigeria is same thing. And we cannot say this person caused it or this person caused it. This is cumulative effect of leadership failure over the years. It is that today. It's something that happened over the years. We have so many, over 100 million Nigerians living in poverty. We have so many out-of-school children. So the consequence that those who did not educate yesterday, those who did not invest in yesterday, have become a problem for us today. The question you ask everybody that comes here is, how do you wish to solve insecurity? Katsina, 95% of Katsina people are farmers. But they can no longer go to their farm. So you have poverty all over the place. What you want is to go back to your farm. What you want is to have a means of livelihood. What you want is a means of education. The way to fight insecurity is to start by pulling people out of poverty. The more you give people employment, the more you put them out of poverty, you will reduce criminality. That is number one thing you need to do. Number two is that you have to support the security agencies properly. You have to properly man. You have to support them with the equipment. You have to support the local people to help you secure their place. And that can only come through government. I've been a governor in a state for 8 years. We had a security problem. We worked with all the local communities, equipped them properly, and we were able to solve the problem. We need to provide jobs for our teeming young people. Katsina can help to feed Nigeria. You have important food items that are cultivated here, from groundnut to millet to beans to corn. These are critical things. They are very critical. Today, most growers are looking for where to buy sorghum. You can cultivate sorghum here. So what you cultivate here will help Nigeria. The land, you have a land of nearly 25,000 square kilometers. So you have enough land, but it needs to be cultivated. When we were landing from the airport this afternoon, I was looking at the bare land. If you go to any country of the world and you're landing from the air, the land is cultivated. Morocco, Nigeria is not a productive country. Morocco is producing for export 8 to 10 billion worth of agricultural goods. Katsina can earn $500 million to $1 billion from export. But the government needs to support them. They need government support. They need government support. The farmers need their support. They need security to go back to their farm. I need government to give them inputs in their farming. And that's what government can do. They need government to come and support them in the education of their children. And all what I'm saying today is easy. It is not difficult. It is why government is not doing it that you have to look into all of us that are going to come here and tell you we want to be president. Your country today, not just that there are over 100 million people living in poverty, your country today is going to a lot of money that they can pay. These are what we need to solve. So people of Katsina, what I came here today to do is to introduce myself. I'm not going to tell you about the economy of Nigeria, because what we need most is security. In introducing myself, don't know people have told you, I was governor of my state for 8 years. If you go there, they will tell you what I did in education, what I did in health, what I did in security, and what we did to pull people out of poverty. Nigeria must pull people out of poverty. And the only way to do it is to change Nigeria from a consumption to production. We want Nigeria to be a producing state. We want Nigeria to be a state people will be proud to call their own. Because every state in Nigeria has something to offer. Countries after countries are earning money from cultivating something. If you go today, Ethiopia is making nearly $1 billion from cultivating and exporting coffee. Sri Lanka, another poor country, is exporting tea. And so are so many other countries exporting from maize to sorghum to groundnut. But you need government support. We will make sure that the Bank of Agriculture, we will empower government Bank of Agriculture to support aggressively, supporting production and quantity for export, quantities that we can use to ensure that the value chain in agriculture is established, to be able to support the farmers by giving them proper loan, proper support, and as the government will do that. That's what we are going to do to support Katsina. And my own is not promise. Go and check where I've been, how I did it. So if any governor comes here, our government will manage government resources very well. I don't know if I told you. Today, apart from our late father, Yaradua, I'm the only person who left money. And left not just 1 or 2 or 3 billion, but 75 billion naira. So one people that can manage their resources very well, that is what I came here to do today. To introduce myself and show you that in our government, Katsina will be secured. Katsina people will be able to go back to their farm. I'm going to work with local communities to make sure things work. It is important. It is not just another wishful political. We are going to work out to make sure that all Nigeria love each other. Whether it's from the north, east, west, we want to be one Nigeria. We want Nigeria to be together. We want Nigeria to be productive. We want the young ones that are growing up, to be proud of Nigeria, to be proud to be called Nigerians, because Nigeria is giving them hope. So my dear people, as we conclude, I know so many of us will come here. Some will come with more money, some will come with less. Whatever anybody give you, take. Don't say no, because you need money. Everybody needs it now. So if anybody gives you money, take it. But remember, when you're going to vote, look at the picture of your children and ask yourself a question. Do I want these children to live in a place that is not secured, or do I want them to live in a place that is secured? Do I want to live in a place where there's a hope for John, or do I want them to live where there's no hope for John? Do I want them to live in a place where there's food, or do I want them to live in a society where there's hunger? Do I want them to live in a country where the country is owing less loan, or do I want them to live in a place where they cannot pay their loan? When you ask all these questions, then you can cast your vote. The society you are helping them abuse today will take its revenge on your children and grandchildren tomorrow. God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.